Hi, let me show you how to remove alternate Face ID on iPhone 16e. So, if you set Face ID that two people can unlock this phone and now you want to remove one of the Face ID, you need to go in Phone Settings, find Face ID and passcode, and unlock it with the help of entering your current passcode. And right now, there is no way how you can delete only one Face ID, but you can reset each Face ID on this device by clicking this option. So, as you can see, to enroll another appearance, Face ID needs to be reset. So just click here, and don't worry, you can immediately set another by clicking blue option Set up Face ID. As we did before, position your face in the camera frame and move your head in a circle. Let's try it out. I'm gonna position my face within the frame and move head to complete the circle. So here I'm gonna choose to set up later and let's test it. As you can see, everything is working just fine, but now only I can unlock this phone. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.